Don't like Snapchat Spotlight videos? Here's how to disable or reduce Spotlight on Snapchat in 2026 on iPhone and Android. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Spotlight is Snapchat's short video feed, similar to Reels or TikTok. While you can't fully delete it, you can turn off Spotlight posting and reduce Spotlight content. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Spotlight and Snap Map or Content Settings. Turn off the option to submit snaps to Spotlight. This stops your content from appearing on Spotlight. Avoid watching or interacting with Spotlight videos. Snapchat will show fewer Spotlight clips over time based on your activity. Go to Settings and then tap Notifications inside Snapchat. Turn off Spotlight notifications to stop alerts and recommendations. Snapchat does not currently allow fully removing the Spotlight tab. You can only disable posting and reduce visibility. If Spotlight keeps appearing, log out and back in after changing settings. And that's it. That's how to disable or reduce Snapchat Spotlight in 2026 on iPhone and Android. Subscribe for more Snapchat tips.